Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 6 Best Espresso Machine in 2025.
Top 1.
Bosch TPU 60309 Series VeroCafe Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Home Connect, 35 beverage varieties with Coffee World, Double Cup, in black. Personalized coffee creation. Craft your perfect coffee experience with the active select display, allowing you to easily select from a variety of delicious coffee beverages, including lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos, while adjusting the strength and aroma to your taste preferences. Convenient connected control. Elevate your at-home barista experience with the Home Connect app, enabling you to control your espresso machine remotely and explore up to 35 delightful beverage recipes from the comfort of your couch or on your way home. Effortless maintenance. The Calc and Clean feature provides a step-by-step guide, ensuring your espresso machine stays in top condition by guiding you through the cleaning and descaling process, preserving the full-bodied flavor and optimal performance.
Top 2.
KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8 with milk attachment and plant-based milk options, KES 8558SX, stainless steel. Programmable convenience. This fully automatic espresso machine simplifies your morning routine with programmable settings and an auto shut-off feature, allowing you to wake up to freshly brewed espresso. Superior brewing. Enjoy barista quality espresso at home thanks to the integrated coffee grinder that grinds beans fresh for every brew, and the ability to customize brew strength to your taste preferences. Sleek design. With its stainless steel construction and 2.2L removable water tank, this machine offers a seamless blend of modern style and ample capacity for your daily espresso indulgences.
Top 3.
The Longhi Eletta Explore Espresso Machine with Cold Brew, Automatic Hot and Cold Milk Frother for 50+ one-touch recipes, built-in grinder, ECAM 45086S. Versatile brewing options. Brew over 50 hot and cold beverages at the touch of a button, including espresso drinks like cappuccinos and lattes, as well as quick cold brew coffee. Customizable grind and brew. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings to explore various bean varieties, while intelligent technology helps optimize the brewing for your chosen beans. Hot and cold frothing. Dual latte crema systems create velvety hot and cold milk foam for crafting perfect espresso-based drinks, hot or iced. Intuitive controls. Vibrant 3.5 touchscreen display with soft touch icons provides easy navigation through customizable recipes and connected app features.
Top 4.
Bosch TQU 60703 Series VeroCafe Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with Home Connect, 36 beverage varieties with Coffee World, Cup Warmer, Double Cup, Integrated Milk Container, in stainless steel. Premium versatility. Bosch's VeroCafe 800 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine offers a wide range of customizable drink options, from lattes and cappuccinos to espressos, with 3 aroma profiles to tailor the strength and flavor to your preference. Convenient control. Use the intuitive Active Select display or the Home Connect app to effortlessly select and program your desired beverages, even when you're away from home. Easy maintenance. The Calc and Clean feature ensures optimal performance and full-bodied flavor by guiding you through the cleaning and descaling process for your espresso machine. Complete package. This premium machine comes equipped with essential accessories, including a water filter, milk container, cleaning tablets, and a microfiber cloth, ensuring a seamless and convenient user experience.
Top 5.
Breville, the Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine with grinder and auto milk frother, espresso maker with assisted tamping and touch screen, Cappuccino and Latte machine for home, BES 881 BTR, Black Truffle. Barista Guided Brewing. The Barista Touch Impress provides step-by-step guidance through the Impress puck system, extraction, and hands-free microfoam frothing, ensuring a perfect brew every time. Rapid heating and precision grinding. With the innovative thermojet heating system and integrated Barista conical burr grinder, you can go from fresh beans to a delicious cup in seconds. Customizable milk frothing. Adjust milk temperature and texture to your preference with the Auto Milk U Steam Wand, tailoring your latte or cappuccino to perfection. Intuitive touchscreen experience. Navigate effortlessly through 8 cafe presets or customize up to 8 drink options on the responsive touchscreen interface.
Top 6.
Breville Oracle Espresso Machine BES 980 XL. Brushed stainless steel. Premium Espresso Machine. The Breville Oracle fully automatic espresso machine combines professional-grade dual boiler construction, precision conical burr grinder, and intuitive controls to deliver third-wave specialty coffee at home. Customizable brewing. Adjust grind size, dose, and brew strength with the integrated grinder and customize milk texture with the automatic self-cleaning steam wand, ensuring your espresso and milk-based drinks are tailored to your preferences. Precise temperature control. Dual stainless steel boilers and a heated group head with digital temperature control, PID, maintain the optimal water temperature throughout the brewing process for optimal flavor extraction. Convenient features, with one-touch Americano, adjustable milk temperature and texture, automatic grinding and tamping, and a large water reservoir, the Oracle simplifies the art of crafting exceptional espresso drinks at home.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.